Buenos dias, dolphins. It's Wednesday, October 23rd. It's also International iPod Day. I'm Claudia.
And I'm Fatima, and here is your ISP elementary news. This is a reminder from our nurses to make sure we wash our hands constantly with soap and water. There are a few viruses circulating around school. If you feel unwell, make sure you stay at home to stop the spread.
International Week will begin next week on Monday, October 28th. There will be a pod assembly, so make sure to wear your pod shirts. Wednesday, we will have our Fair of Nations, International Parade, and Cultural Lunch.
Joke of the day: how is food served to the man in the moon?
How?
In satellite dishes.
The random fact of the day is, owls can't move their eyeballs.
Mindfulness quote of the day: being thankful is a habit, the best one you'll ever have. Hal Urban.
That's it for today's ISP Elementary News. Have a wonderful Wednesday.